Hello. Happy Monday. My name is Lucie Lozinski. I work at Stripe as a technical writer, and my talk is on how to get on stages where the Grateful Dead have played. I'm kidding, I'm sorry. It's not. It's on how to host a Docs bug bash. Has anyone done that before? Cool, not that many people. Does anyone want to do that at some point? Cool, all right. I talk really slow, so I'm going to try to scope this down to just a couple things. I guess, like a good document, what is the problem we're trying to solve with a bug bash? I guess like if you're launching something, you kind of want to review the docs with all the people who have a say in the docs before they get published. Or maybe if you're someone who works at a company that doesn't have a lot of tech writers and you rely on your friends of the docs, you might actually need them to help you write something on a deadline. So Docs Bash can be really helpful for that kind of thing. And how to do it, I guess there's probably other ways to do this. So if you want to talk to me after, that would be cool too. But the way I've been doing it, and it's actually worked pretty well, is just a few steps. 4 of them. So 1, put some planning into it. 2, publicize it like it's a real thing. 3, execute. And 4, follow up, do stuff afterwards. So to plan, just treat it like a real event and not like a meeting, I guess. So maybe a month in advance, book a time, book a big space where a lot of people can come. And like an event planner, just pretend you're an event planner and that this is a gala and that people really want to come, and then they do, which is really cool. Just make it seem like it's a real big event. And then talk to a bunch of people, pitch it. So get your manager really on board, get your directors on board. I don't know what your org structure's like. Maybe you work alone. But try to get anyone you know on board. And then try to get whoever the attendees will be. So in my case, it's usually engineers and PMs, and sometimes lawyers and support specialists and other writers. Try to get all of their managers down too. In one case, I threw one of these for an information security team, and we got the CISO to grant this and send an email that was we want everyone to be there all day. You don't have to do anything else other than write docs about security today. And I was like, yeah. So just make it seem like a thing. It's about it. Just invite everyone you know, the bigger the better. Some people won't show up. Publicize it, maybe make a flyer or something. And maybe order food. That's cool. Someone suggested pizza while we were talking, while we were lined up here. Pizza usually goes a long way, but some people don't eat bread or cheese. So pies, I did pies once, that was awesome. And just I called one of these docs events Docs and Pies once, and just slapped up that poster everywhere, and we got 100 people who came. Then actual day of execution, have snacks, be there on time, set up a Zoom, make it remote friendly, and let people know that you can ship them a pie if they really want one. Just try to make it a real fun event. And then don't do too much once you're there. Just give people a really simple, I just use a Google form for this usually, so that they don't have to file tasks in Jiras and just do a lot. Just here's a long paragraph answered text, submit whatever's wrong. Please don't submit commas and stuff. Just if something's confusing, let me know. Anything can be a bug in this case, but hopefully not polished. We'll edit later. Then just be around for questions and let everyone know you're around. If you have a huge group, you can assign certain people there to be a doc steward, which makes them pumped because now they're certified as a doc steward by a tech writer. And then after the event, triage, assign these things, actually get it all done. And if you're gonna have a sleepless week of your year, make this the one, and just kill hundreds of bugs that week, and announce all of everyone's hard work. If you have a leaderboard, which I think you should, gamify it somehow, announce who won and make it they crushed these doc bugs, and reward people, maybe more pie, or a pie gift card, or a sticker, or just thanks or something. And usually you can get a lot done. Thanks.